Rihanna Fabi Faye V. Tolosa, Band Leader. Cadet Captain Carl James Boras, Company Commander. Cadet Captain J. Maluka, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Lester Tejares, First Platoon Leader. Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Baron J. Bar. Second Platoon Leader. Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Rizalyn Palfermoso. CAT Facilitator Commandant Jonathan Tejares. Band Advisor Coordinator Vincent Angelo A. Andenuevo. Major Trainer Mary Joy Lee Oliver. And Master Trainer Paul Marca Wagon. Supply Instructor Ivy Hasmin Torres Cristo. Entry number 37, Pasacao National High School, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Entry number 37, Pasacao National High School, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry.